In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tacoma key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a really easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just prefer to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step here is just to look up at the top of the device. You can see there's that little indentation in the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just twist the screwdriver. That will start to open this thing up, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can kind of continue twisting down the side if it's still a little bit stuck. Now set that back piece of plastic to the side. If you are looking at the battery here, you can see that there's that little space there, a little opening in the plastic. We're going to insert a tool into there to pry the battery out. Now you could probably do it with a flathead screwdriver. I actually have done it with this large screwdriver. It's just more difficult and you might kind of ding up the plastic there. So I'd recommend using a smaller one. Ideally, you just want like a thin piece of metal. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver here. You could also use probably something like a paper clip would do well, but we just want something that's going to fit into that area, and then we can pry the battery out, and it is so easy if you have something that fits in that little space there. So what you're doing is you're just pushing down, getting kind of behind the battery and prying it out. So here we go. Once again, that is a CR2025 battery. And when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side is going face up. So you just slide that down under these little pieces of plastic there and click the top in. And you want to see the plus sign and that text looking back at you, going face up. Now we just click the two halves of the device back together, and you can test it and make sure that light comes on. And if it does, you are good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like so it can help some other people out too. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also see all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.